Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your XIAOMI OpenWear so quiet. Firstly, I recommend it to clean the grill. So right here we have a grill and you need to clean it. You can use a brush or toothbrush if you have a cleaning tool and clean it. Also, maybe the problem is your earbuds just too old, so you need to also know it. Next step, if this problem only with one earbud, we can change volume balance. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Apple device, and then I will move to Android. But some Android phones have a system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check this part also. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and you need to go to Accessibility, located under the General Settings. Now, scroll down, and in the Hearing, we have Audio and Visual. Enter here, then scroll down, and right here we have Audio Balance. So, if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move the slider to the right. What we just did, we increased the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. And if you use 100% on the right earbud, you will totally mute sound on your left earbud. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move the slider to the left. And that's it for iOS. Now let's move to Android. On your Android, open Settings, and then we need to also go to Accessibility. I have stock Android and it's located at the bottom. Enter into Accessibility, and then you need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have Audio Adjustment. At least I have this phone at the bottom. So tap on it, and right here we have Volume Balance. If you have this problem with the left earbud, you just move this dot to the left, and we just increase the volume for the left earbud but lower it for the right earbud. And if you have this problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, we just increase for the right but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on the right or left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your second earbud. Now, if the sound balance didn't help you also, maybe you need to contact customer service. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!